Thank you everyone for joining. My name is Diego Prieto. I am a proposal manager here at Ameriflex, and I'm going to be doing a demonstration of our employee portal for the Flexo Spending account. As you see here, our landing page is our website, myameriflex.com. This is the landing page for both access to employer as well as employee portal. There is a lot of information in the website that you can access at any time with regards to the different benefits and features of the plans that we offer. All that you need to do to log in into the portal for the purposes of this demo is to just simply go in the top right corner to log in into your account and select participants in order for you to access the participant portal. Once you log in into the portal, this will be the landing page of that a participant will be seeing when logging in into the portal. The first thing that you will notice is there is a personal dashboard that they will have access to. All these different boxes, if you will, can be customized in any order that you wish. But simply speaking, is going to have access to their accounts for the current year. They can also indicate any previous or future plan years if they have already made set elections, and the specific information within each of the accounts. Again, for the purpose of this demo, I have an example of a flexible spending account for a calendar year 1/1/2018 to 12/31/2018. It shows the total amount that they have elected as well as how much is currently available and how much they have spent. If they have multiple accounts, that information will be shown in here, and they can expand this window in order for them to be able to see that information. Um, there are also alerts that are available right through the website, which they can also link through their mobile device to get text messages for set alerts. For the examples that we have in here, we have an enrollee welcome email that they will receive, as well as if they change the password to their portal, they can receive that notification. And again, in this specific case, it's an email, but they can also provide their phone number for their mobile device, so that way they can get real-time text messages. There's also a box in where any required substantiation, any verification of card transactions that they had with their Flexo spending account, they are able to do it right from the landing page of their website. They'll be able to see the specific information of the transaction. So in this example, we have $150. What the date of service was the day of the transaction, and the fact that it needs a receipt. Simply click on the link to add the receipt, and you can either browse your computer for the file that includes that itemized receipt, or simply drag and drop the file here and click submit, and that is going to be submitting that substantiation, that itemized receipt or explanation of benefits directly to our claims department. Obviously, there are other methods that you can submit that substantiation to us, which is listed in here. You can fax it, you can email it, or you can mail it to us. Additionally, you can also submit the receipt via the mobile app. It's even simpler with the mobile device, as all that you will need to do is take a picture of your itemized receipt and then submit it alongside with the transaction in question. You can also see your most recent transactions. It's also able to show you what deposits have been made into the account, different amounts, any transactions they have been submitted and approved, and transactions like shown above, there are still pending substantiation. You can go into more details into your account. So all that you have to do is select the account tab and my accounts, and then you will see a more detailed description of your account. Keep in mind that the name of the account, for the purposes of this example, just simply indicates a Flexo spending account, but you can customize the name of the account to whatever you see fit. If you just want to use FSA, or if you just want to, call it My Company FSA, or whatever the name of your company might be, you can indicate that in here. It gives you a wheel of your account balance, showing you what's currently available, how much has been spent, how many deposits, or rather, how much deposits have been made year to date, and their total balance, as well as some deadlines specific to your plan. For the purposes of the example, we have the start date January 1st, 2018. The plan will end December 31st, 2018. It will also provide you when is the last day that claims can be submitted and the last date for any spending. If, for the purposes of a Flexo spending account, you have a grace period versus a rollover feature. You can view even more details by clicking on the account details, which is going to show you, kind of breakdown of your account. You can also view all transactions within your plan. Again, both deposits, card transactions. You can sort out all your transactions by plan year, by the type of plan that you have, if you have multiple plans, and the type of transaction in question. So if you wanted to just see deposits, or if you wanted to see card transactions, you can do that. Additionally, you can also select which transactions you wanted to see. So if you just wanted to view approved transactions, if you want to see only pending transactions, if there were any denied transactions, that will show in here. Obviously, we do not have that in this example. You can also view claim activity on the portal. You can see what actions are needed, which ones have been approved, paid, and submitted. If it's a manual claim, you have the ability to submit that right in here to the website. You simply click on submit claim, and you are also or you will only need to enter the information of your service start date. If there's an end date, you will put that information, what type of account you wish to be reimbursed from, the total amount of the claim, the name of the provider, any comments that you need to provide to your claims department for processing, as well as obviously authorizing that you wish the claim to be processed and submitted. Additionally, when providing the name of the provider, you can also indicate that you wish the claim to be paid directly to the provider rather than to be reimbursed yourself. Either way, we'll be able to set that up for you. It doesn't have any cost to submit the claims to us. Processing time is usually between 1 to 3 business days. And additionally, they can indicate whether the reimbursement for the claim can be done um, either via check or via direct deposit. They are able to provide that information in the portal where they can put their banking information and indicate that claims, any subsequent claims, will be submitted to them via direct deposit. There are additional resources that are available on the website. There is a library for different resources that we'll have available. Only in specific accounts that your client will have the relative information for tutorials. So if you only have a Flexo spending account, the only option that you will see here on the resources will just be the Flexo spending account. However, we have resources for Flexo spending account, for health reimbursement accounts, health savings accounts, limited purpose FSA accounts, dependent care accounts, community benefit accounts. We are also have forms and documents that you have available to download. For the purpose of this example, for HSA, they can order checks, they can request services to change your address, name change, election change, deposit change. All that information is available on the website, and even a link for them to download Adobe Reader for any PDF documents that they are downloading. We also have a full expense table of eligible items provided by FSA Store, on where you can either type um, any item that they wish to know if it's eligible under the Flexi Spending account, or there is a full table down here where they'll be able to see if it's eligible with a prescription, if it's eligible with a letter of medical necessity, or if it's not eligible at all. It's a very extensive table that is provided in here that you can access at any time. You can also use and shop on my FSA store. We have a partnership with them on where you'll be able to tell not only what items are available and eligible for your flexible spending account, but you can purchase it directly from them using the My Ameriflex card to make purchases for any items that are needed. Usually, this is very useful when we are close to the end of the plan year. So unfortunately, funds for a flexi spending account are used or lose it, and even though that they might have a rollover option, um, they still have the possibility to lose any funds, as the rollover only allows a maximum of $500 to rollover from plan year to plan year. So the FSS store is a great resource to utilize to make sure that they don't have any lost funds at the end of the plan year. There is also a video library and that they have available on the portal to view any items that are eligible or any other uh, pertinent information that they wish to see on video format. We also have a link to My Plan Connect. This is an additional service that they have available. It does has an additional cost of $1 per month per plan participant, but basically what this service does is that allows them to connect their insurance carrier with the Ameriflex account, and it will automatically verify and substantiate any card transactions that they might have, as it's going to be pulling the data directly from the insurance carrier and the explanation of benefits to match the card transaction that they had with Ameriflex at either pharmacy or doctor's uh, uh, office visit that they might have, and they had a copay or any expenses, is going to automatically match that with their insurance carrier. And that way they do not have to submit or have to save that receipt, because it's going to be automatically be matched uh, in their portal for them. They also have the ability in the portal to view their cards. They can report the card lost or stolen, or issue a new card if needed. There are also notifications that are able to see here the same alerts that I had mentioned before. They have the ability to view the actual notice and take any actions on them, as well as um, be able to view them if they were sent via text message or email. They can also set up preferences as to how the communications are being submitted to them. They can indicate whether a specific notice is sent to them via mobile device only, email, both, or none at all. They're able to update their email address on file, and register their phone number, so that way they can receive those text messages. So they can do all those changes right through the portal. Their contact information, as far as if they need assistance, that can be reached at. Our phone number and email address is in here, and they can make any changes to their profile as well right to the portal, so they are able to change their address, and any other demographic information. They are also able to update in real time on the portal. So that concludes a demonstration of our employee portal. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you for your time, and you have a great day.